If you want to remove the background from a video in CapCut without using a green screen, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to do it using CapCut's built-in background removal feature, so you can clean up your clips, create more professional edits, and save a ton of time. This method is great for talking head videos, tutorials, social media content, and any clip where you want to isolate the subject from the background. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your video has already been placed on the timeline. This is important because the background removal tool only works once the clip is selected. So click on the video in the timeline to highlight it. Once the video is selected, look over to the right-hand panel. This is where CapCut shows all the editing tools for your clip. In that right panel, find the option that says Remove BG. This is the tool that allows CapCut to detect the subject and separate it from the background automatically. Click Remove BG, and then you'll see the background removal options appear. Now, enable auto removal. CapCut will begin analyzing your video and cutting out the background without you needing a green screen or manual masking. Depending on the length and complexity of the clip, this may take a few moments, so give it a second to process. Once it's finished, your subject should remain visible while the background is removed. From there, you can place any image, color, or video behind it to create the final look you want. You can use this for thumbnails, product demos, reaction videos, or any creative edit where you want a cleaner presentation. If the edges need a little adjustment, you can always tweak the clip further, but for most simple projects, the auto removal feature does the job really well. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove a background from a video in CapCut without a green screen. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.